guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did my first Christmas/holiday look. It's a brown cut crease with a green liner in the crease as well, and then a super intense wing liner. If this is something that you're interested in learning how I achieve, then keep watching. Oh, and if you get a chance, please hit that subscribe button down below. I am coming out with a few more Christmas looks, a giveaway, and some New Year's looks over the next few weeks, so you don't want to miss those. So hit that subscribe button below, and thanks so much for watching. Okay, so first I'm going to start by priming my eyelids, and I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm going to blend that out with a Real Techniques sponge and set it with my Maybelline powder. And then I recently purchased a new Morphe brush set, and I'm going to use that. The brushes don't have any names or numbers on them though, so I'll just have to show pictures of them in the video. So first I'm going to use this blending brush, and not use that color, but the color to the right. Sorry about that. And I'm just going to put that into the crease and then blend it up towards the brow bone a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with a darker brown with the same blending brush, and I'm going to keep that more in towards the crease and blend it out, but just not as high as the first color. And you can use any browns that you have. You'll just start with a light brown, and then you go in with a little bit darker brown. And then using this itty bitty Morphe brush, I'm going to go in with a shade darker of a brown again and put that only in the crease and start darkening that area up. And you just blend that out a little bit. I use this like swirling motion if I want it to go up a little bit higher. And then using that same blending brush that I used to begin with, I'll blend that out a little bit more too. And then I just wasn't satisfied with how dark the crease was, so I just went in with an even darker brown. And then using this small blending brush, this small brush from the that Morphe kit, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to start doing a cut crease. And I just start by patting it on the lid, and then once I get closer to the crease, then I start using like I don't know, swooping it out, I guess, motion. And then I'm just going to set it with a white color from this Morphe palette. And then I lost some of my crease color, so I'm going to go back in with the darkest brown that I used and apply that into the crease a little bit more again. And then I wanted like more of a red tone brown, so you can skip this stuff though if you don't want to use the red tone. And I just use that to blend everything out. And then I wanted to make the lid a little bit of a brighter white, so I used my Naked Cherry palette. They have a white color in there that's really nice. And I just patted that onto the lid as well, and then highlighted my brow bone as well with that. And then I tried this Maybelline Infallable foundation for the first time. The girl at Ulta said it's good for dry skin, so I think it turned out okay. And then using those same Tarte Shape Tapes as I always do, I'm just going to conceal and highlight with those, blend them out with the same beauty sponge, put that under the eye and forehead, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. And then I'm just setting that with that same Maybelline powder. And I had a little bit of a breakout on my nose, and so I'm just making sure that the foundation's set really well with extra powder. And then using my tried and true NYX liner, I'm going to do a wing. And then going back in with this brown shade that I used before, you can use any brown like I said. I'm putting that on my lower lash line. And then using this NYX palette, I'm going to go in with that green color, and I'm going to put that on top of the brown. If I were to do this again, I would totally skip the brown and just do the green. It made it look a little mucky, so just do the green only and skip the brown. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia contour kit. It is well loved, and I'm going to mix all those colors together and start contouring my face with this fan brush. And then using another small brush from that Morphe brush kit, I'm going to go in with the cool tone from that Anastasia contour and contour my nose. And then I have a glitter glue here, and I was going to mix the glitter glue with this green. I thought it was a green glitter pigment, but it turned out being a foil pigment. And so I mixed that in with this little brush and that glitter glue, and I put in the crease, and I wasn't happy with it. So then I, as you'll see, go in with this glitter pigment here and add that to the green foil pigment, and then add all that into the crease. So a little trial and error, but it worked out. So it's just the green foil pigment with glitter, and then I'm adding that to the glitter glue. And then I just wanted it to be a little bit brighter under the eye and do a little baking under my contour. So that's just what I'm doing there. And I curled my lashes, and I'm going to put on my favorite mascara, this L'Oreal Telescopic. And then I'm brushing away some of this extra powder that I was baking with and put on these gorgeous lily lashes in the style Boston with my Lash Duo glue. And then this Wet n Wild highlighter I used, it's got like some like green undertone to it, so I thought it would work really well with this like whole green theme. So I just did the brow bone, the inner corner of my eye, the high points of my cheekbones, you know, the usual spots, my nose, Cupid's bow. And then I went in with the NYX liner, and I'm just lining my waterline. I'm adding some black mascara to the lower lash line. And then I went with a red lip here to kind of tie in this whole holiday theme. So I'm using a Wet n Wild liner, and then I'm using their Catsuit, the red color. These lipsticks are amazing. And then I added some gloss over it, and then I was done. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I think it turned out pretty. Let me know in the comments below, or hit that like button if you like this look, or if it's something that you would wear this holiday season. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.